You said your toes feel like they're frozen?
Yeah.
The water's probably cold, huh?
Nope, not cold. I can't feel my toes.
I guess, go
I can't
ahead.
feel my toes. I'll just take my socks.
You gonna take your big stick?
Yep. Hey, Mom, look at it.
Oh my lord. Oh, stay on this side, you guys. Stay on this side.
Okay, that's awful.
And Mia can't even get her leg braces wet. They're gonna rust. She's gonna rust and she's gonna sound like the Tin Man. What? You broke the rock? She got that Titan strength, remember? Because yo, the Titan. No. Stay on this side in case you fall. You guys are funny. You guys don't splash each other. You help Tadashi? Ooh. Ooh, yeah, you gotta get out, dude. Her hands are frozen. Yeah, it's all cold.
It's even not cold at all. Yeah, it's not.
Yes, it is.
My hands need to warm. My legs are cold. My feet are cold. My feet are
Here, I'll get in with you guys. Whoa, this water's cold. This water is cold.
Yeah, I'm going back uphill.
Oh no.
Over hill.
Woo.
It is? Yeah. Yeah, it's very deep.
Yeah, you can see it's all deep.
Wait, I went over the aisle with them.
No.
No.
Woo, this water is cold.
Dad, do you want to splash? No, stop people. Yeah.
And because of how my shoes are, they want to float. As soon as I pick up my foot floats up.
I don't think I want to do that no more.
Yeah, don't throw the rocks when we're in here, crazies.
Don't throw the rocks at but I missed it.
No, that's part of the other property.
Trying to go back up here because I almost just fell over there.
You're crazy.
Oh shit, I almost lost my slipper.
You didn't put it in sport mode, that's why. Sit on the rock right there. Right where Tadashi's sitting. Watch out. No, don't sit. Those rocks are slippery. Because they got algae and stuff on them. They got algae and stuff on them. You ever had to put her Crocs in sport mode real quick? Because of what? It's a butterfly.
I can. I'm never doing that again.
You said never doing that again. Did you say your butt's wet?
Where are they going?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah, we going that side? Those like the people at that side.
I guess we'll go see. Can you help?
I'm gonna be like the dinosaurs.
You guys are funny. You guys are funny. Yeah. Just watch out for the rocks when you guys walk on them.
Huh?
Just watch out for those rocks because they're going to be slippery.
Yeah, that's right. That's why I'm looking down. I can barely see those.
You don't have to look at them. Just got to make sure when you step that they're not real slippery. Yeah? Yuki's crazy. Yuki's crazy.
Don't do that. Hey, Mom. Hey, Mom. Man, I'm gonna go.
Yoshi's funny. I think Yoshi's gonna be like me. She's gonna like water. No.
So can we go there?
If you want. You trying to come over here too?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll hold your hand. Oh, dude, it might be too cold for you. Because your body's already getting cold. Just stay right here, okay? Because you're already like cold. Yo-yo's crazy.
My feet want to float. Why, come on, let's go back this way. I had to hit the post this.
Yeah.
Walk like a crab. Walk like a crab. My toe feels like it's lost. Oh, there's one that's on the wheel.
You okay, Yoshi? Here. So you don't fall. Need you help, Yuki?
No.
Crazy. Oh, shoot.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, watch out for that, because you always scratch yourself on that. Trace, don't let that. Huh? What? Don't let that. Oh, I forgot. I can't feel my toes. Yeah, if I don't fall.
No, we're gonna start heading back.
Okay.
We'll come back. We'll just head back. Yo, you're little. Yo, it's crazy. You're a dork. Leo's a dork.
Can I sit?
I don't know if you want to.
Oh yeah. I can sit in the water.
Josh, you gonna punch the water?
I'll punch the water too. Why are you punching the water?
I don't know. He's crazy.
That was a bee.
Who wet my plate? Who wet my plate? That's not a bee.
You're a dork.
That's a human being, not a bee.
Okay, you monkeys. Let's start heading back.
And
Or they come back again.
can we come back tomorrow? Tomorrow?
I don't know. It's up to you guys.
Tomorrow, I thought we were going to the
Unless you want to come here instead.
I want to go to the library. Me too.
All right, we'll see. Come on, dorks.
Tracy.
Did I? I was trying to avoid the other one because the other one was trying to go underneath my shoe. We'll see because I have an appointment tomorrow anyway, so we'll see when I get done.
Dad, you have an appointment soon.
What's in the bush? A squirrel.
Oh, the squirrel. Oh yeah, I see the squirrel over there.
What's a squirrel?
A squirrel. Tracy, what happened to your butt? It's wet because I was sitting in this water. Why was you sitting in the water? Because. Ooh, can I have that? No. Daddy, we're gonna go this way. Okay, back. Watch out. Look out, I can.
I can't see.
Look out.
I'm trying to not.
Oh my lord.
Look, there's a lot. I'm in that. Oh. I think it was that way.
Yeah, it was that way. I thought I think you were just trying to take a different way.
So I was right.
This way is more rocks. I can't get in rocks.
Heck no. I'm gonna fall with you.
Okay.
Goodbye, boy.
Let's try to explore it out.
Do you need help, Tadashi?
Yeah, he does.
A stick and it took me back my leg. Is that what you did?
Thanks. Look, yeah. Oh my god. Guess who I tried to do too? Guess who I got it from? Huh? Okay. I'll poke. You got poke? Yeah.
Oh,
Like this.
no. I'm gonna poke my wrist.
Yeah.
You said it was fun.
Line up.
Josh, why are you running like this?
Line up. Roxy, look at there's baby pine cones. Huh? Let's get them.
You're a dork.
Line up.
He said, wait up.
Oh, heck no.
Uh,
I have to use my stick.
you need help, Stinky?
No, I got it.
Give it a little boost.
Take you a little bit, because I got sick. No. He would walk up to the person and say that his